What's up, everybody? Dan Henry here, and in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how this 15-year-old kid is making over $3,000 a month doing local business marketing. Now, what is local business marketing? Well, it's very simple. You have gyms, you have lawyers, you have doctors, you have real estate agents, you have restaurants, bars. All of these local businesses need more customers, and they are starving for them. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna create very simple little Facebook and Instagram ads, and these take only 10, maybe 15 minutes to throw together. And you're gonna put them on Facebook and Instagram, and you're gonna attract clients and customers for these local businesses. And these local businesses are gonna pay you handsomely for this service. Most local business clients will pay anywhere from $500 to $3,000 a month. The average is $1,500. So you're gonna get more gym members for gyms. You're gonna get more buyers and sellers for real estate agents. You're gonna get more people to eat at restaurants. You're gonna get more people to drink at bars. You're gonna get more people to go to the chiropractor. Joseph here has 5 clients that he charges $600 a month each. And all he does is spend about 10 minutes putting together a very simple Facebook ad or Instagram ad and getting more customers for this local business. Now, where did Joseph learn how to do this? Well, he learned how to do it from me. My name is Dan Henry, and I'm the founder of GetClients.com. And yes, I teach people how to change their lives, make more money, make more income by starting a local business marketing agency. Kind of like a modern day Mad Men without all the sex, alcohol, and lung cancer. Yep, that's right. You can run this entire agency from your laptop. Listen, I am doing a 100% free training coming up where I'm going to show you how to create a hyper-profitable local business marketing agency. Even if you have never done this before, if you're a complete newbie, just like Joseph. Joseph was a complete newbie, didn't even know how to create a Facebook ad. That's okay. You don't have to know anything. This is 100% beginner friendly, and we have trained thousands of people to do this. We have over 500 success stories on GetClients.com. This training works, and yes, it's 100% free. Now, if you want to get on this training, all you have to do is click this button here. That will take you to a page where you can register for the training, pick out a time that is right for you and good for you, and you can get on. And again, this is 100% free training. It is amazing. I promise it will change your life. It is unlike all the other crap you see out there from these people that are, telling you these stupid stories and just trying to hype you up and stuff. I'm not going to show you actual, I'm going to show you the ad. I'm going to show you how we build the offer. I'm going to show you everything, how we land the clients, the whole process. I'm going to show it to you, and it's 100% free. So do not delay. Go ahead and click that button and register for this training, and I cannot wait to see you there.